Welcome back to Crazy Auto Premiere. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Sienna Hybrid, a minivan that blends exceptional fuel economy with family-focused design. Packed with features and engineered for efficiency, let's break down everything you need to know about this impressive vehicle. The Sienna is powered by a hybrid system combining a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with 3 electric motors. Together, they produce 245 horsepower. The front motor generates 180 horsepower with 199 pound-feet of torque, while the rear motor provides 54 horsepower and 89 pound-feet of torque for all-wheel drive. A 1.5 kilowatt-hour nickel-metal hydride battery ensures efficiency without compromising practicality. The chassis features front struts and a multi-link rear suspension for a smooth, balanced ride. The Sienna measures 203.7 inches in length, 78.5 inches in width, and stands 69.7 inches tall. With a wheelbase of 120.5 inches, it offers stability and comfort. The vehicle weighs 4,811 pounds, adding to its road presence. In performance tests, the all-wheel drive Sienna Limited accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 7.5 seconds and covers a quarter mile in 15.8 seconds at 88 miles per hour. It reaches 100 miles per hour in 22.1 seconds. The top speed is limited to 117 miles per hour, and the braking distance from 70 miles per hour to a stop is 190 feet. On a skid pad, it achieves a solid 0.78 g of cornering grip. With an EPA-estimated 36 miles per gallon for both city and highway driving, the Sienna leads its class in efficiency. All-wheel drive reduces city mileage slightly to 35 miles per gallon. In a 75-mile-per-hour highway test, it returned 33 miles per gallon, giving it a highway range of up to 590 miles. This makes the Sienna a practical choice for long journeys. The Sienna's cabin is designed with comfort in mind. Its large center console stretches from the dashboard to the second-row seats and includes an open storage cubby underneath. While the second-row seats are not removable, they slide up to 25 inches for added flexibility. Cargo space behind the third row measures 34 cubic feet, expandable to 75 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. Toyota's updated infotainment system includes an 8-inch screen on the baselet trim and a 12.3-inch display on higher trims. Standard features include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa, along with a Wi-Fi hotspot and multiple USB-C ports throughout the cabin. Upper trims come with a 12-speaker JBL sound system, and an optional 11.6-inch rear entertainment display is available. The Sienna offers 10 airbags, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and the Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automated emergency braking. A new advanced rear seat reminder ensures no one is left behind by using radar to detect passengers and sending alerts to your phone if needed. The 2025 Sienna Hybrid starts at $40,635 for the baselet trim and goes up to $57,595 for the platinum trim. The XSE model, with sporty 20-inch wheels, second-row captain's chairs, and a 12.3-inch touchscreen, offers an excellent balance of style and practicality. Compared to vehicles like the Honda Prologue and Toyota bZ4X, the Sienna focuses on family-friendly features and superior efficiency. While the Prologue boasts a higher top speed, the Sienna excels in practicality and hybrid performance, making it a standout in its class. The 2025 Toyota Sienna Hybrid proves that minivans can be efficient, practical, and luxurious. Whether you're shuttling the family or embarking on a road trip, this hybrid delivers. Don't forget to check out our reviews of the Honda Prologue and Toyota bZ4X for more comparisons. Thanks for watching Crazy Auto Premiere. If you enjoyed this review, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest automotive insights. See you next time.